Hey everybody. So time crunch today. We are going to see Christmas lights tonight with my family. We're going to drive about an hour away, look at all these different things, and see Christmas lights. Tomorrow, our church small group is getting together for their little Christmas get-together before Christmas this year. My wife last night said, hey, can we try and put together a charcuterie board? Sure, let's do it. Let's say we're going to take one over there. I was thinking we were going to use one of the cutting boards and just put stuff on it, but she said, no, here. So she sent me a picture on Instagram that looks just like this. And she said, can you make it? So I said, absolutely, let's do it. So I getting ready to start doing it. And then my dad texted me. He lives about 3 hours away and said, hey, I'm coming down to celebrate Christmas with you and bringing all the Christmas presents for the kids. So that changed things just a little bit. Did not get to work on this yesterday. So now it's about 2 o'clock. By 4:30, we are leaving. So I have about 2 hours to put together basically this that I already glued up with some white oak. Cut it up, plane it up, and try and do as much as I can, even throw a finish on it in the next 2 hours. So let's see if I can make it happen. got done on time. We had a great time throwing that thing together. Love the idea that my wife Amanda came up with. It was hard. It was a lot of fun. Made some mistakes. The sander broke down. Handles just didn't turn out how we wanted. But sometimes that's just how projects go. So I'm gonna do better on the next one. Learn from my past mistakes, and well, on to the next one. In case you're wondering how it turned out once we got there, this is how it looks.